Hello everybody, how are you? Again, welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and outstanding ideas. We are always trying our best to show you the outclass and unique crocheting ideas for daily usage so that you can enjoy the beauty. Before we get started, don't forget to share and like the video. If found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crocheting tips and tricks. We are always sharing creative and inspiring tips for your home. Today's video is all about crochet tissue boxes. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting. Dear viewers, if you spend only 5 minutes and 13 seconds to watch this video, really I promise you never lose your time to make decisions for your perfect crocheting ideas to make yourself special. In this video, we have make very beautiful and unique remix collection of pictures. So enjoy our remix with the word top crocheting ideas. Crocheting a tissue box cover can offer a variety of benefits, both practical and creative. Here are some advantages of crochet tissue box. The first and the main one is aesthetic appeal. Adds a personal touch and enhances the decor of any room. Customization. You can choose colors and patterns to match your home's interior. Gift potential. A unique handmade gift for friends and family. Eco-friendly. A sustainable alternative. Disposable cover for plastic boxes. Skill development. Improves your crochet skills and techniques. Stress relief. The repetitive motion can be calming and therapeutic. Creativity boost. Encourages creative expressions through design choices. Functional decor combines functionality with artistic design. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Quick project. A relatively simple project that can be completed in a short time. Versatility can be made in various styles for different occasions or seasons. Family activity. A fun project to do with family or friends. Sense of accomplishment. Finishing a project provides a satisfying sense of achievement. Use of scrap. Perfect for using leftover yarn, reducing waste. Improved focus. The concentration required can enhance focus and mindfulness. Conversation starter. A unique item that can spark discussions. Variety of techniques. You can experiment with different stitches and techniques. Community engagement. Opportunities to join crochet groups or classes. Memory making. Creates lasting memories, especially if made for special occasions. Adaptability. Can be adjusted in size for different tissue boxes dimensions. Personalized touch. Adds a personal touch to everyday items, making them special. Dear viewers, I'm really sorry for my voice because I'm getting flu from last 2 weeks. That's why before 3 or 4 videos I put voice changer. So I'm again really sorry for that. We will continue our video. Crocheting a tissue box cover is not just the end product, it's also about the enjoy of crafting.